Introducing the AR6 Stinger 2. What might appear as a mere toy is a force to be reckoned with. This ultra-lightweight and rugged modular crossbow defies expectations. Steering clear from US hunting crossbow classification, with a 6-shot magazine and a handy integrated accessory compartment, its uniqueness lies in the ability to fold in half. Attach the vertical foregrip for added leverage and stability. What's more, you can customize it to suit your exact needs. Crafted from high-quality, durable polymer material. It's not just built to last, but designed to be practically indestructible. Upgrade your tech game with the AR6 Stinger 2. Step into the realm of adventure with the unparalleled SCHRADE SCHRADE 4 hatchet. Whether you're deep in the woods, chopping firewood, or setting up a campsite, its robust powder-coated steel tang blade won't let you down. On the other end, the hammer pommel stands ready, perfect for driving those tent stakes. Simplicity is its strength. The SCHRADE full tang hatchet shines with an uncomplicated design, eliminating concerns about replacing parts. Its compact stature ensures it's an ideal fit as a camp axe or an essential survival hatchet in your emergency bug-out bag. All this excellence and utility come at an astonishing affordable price of just $35. So, whether you're cutting, shaping, or sharpening wood, let SCHRADE SCHRADE 4 be your trustworthy partner. Secure yours now. Unveiling the MULE V2. The epitome of flashlight innovation. This is not just any flashlight, it's a harmonious blend of advanced features and outstanding energy efficiency. Housing non-toxic strontium aluminate crystals encased in molded rosin. This device guarantees prolonged illumination. Its radiant white LED spotlight, rated at 300 lumens, boasts impressive brightness, providing optimal light even on its low setting. With the convenience of dual battery options, a AAA battery adapter, and a USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you'll never be left in the dark. Experience the versatility of 5 distinct illumination modes, including a UV light feature. Plus, its specialized panel not only changes with light, but conserves battery life. Embrace the future of illumination. Let MULE V2 light your way. Introducing the Stargear Pocket Samurai Slip Joint, a masterpiece that seamlessly marries the grandeur of Imperial Japan with modern innovation. At a mere 6.9 centimeters when closed, this compact wonder is primed to accompany you everywhere. Whether it's nestled on your keychain, discreetly tucked in your pocket, or stashed in your EDC organizer. Unlike most, it boasts an integrated frame lock within its grade 5 titanium handles, ensuring secure locking. Imagine the allure of a blade that not only fits effortlessly in your pocket, but also measures just 2 inches in length. Crafted with a handle forged from robust titanium alloy. This is your timeless sidekick. Embrace the blend of history and innovation with the Pocket Samurai Slip Joint. Step up your survival game with the LIFESAVER 4000 bottle. Crafted in the UK, this gem marries simplicity with sheer excellence. Dive into any water source, give it a quick pump, and you're set for a refreshing sip. It's truly that effortless. Abandon the hassle of hoses and say no to chemicals. Relish in a self-contained marvel that integrates a filter and a bottle seamlessly. Whether you're by a serene lake or braving the swamps, LIFESAVER 4000 ensures clean hydration on the go. But it doesn't stop there. Beyond hydration, charge your phone, purify with UV, or even kickstart a fire. A multi-purpose wonder that's built to last. Discover the game-changing hybrid travel belt, where daily functionality meets survival sophistication. Its lightweight polymer design, side-release buckle is a joy for everyday adventurers. Though winter wanderers might need to give it an extra click, the belt's design is elevated with a triangle ring up front, echoing the D-ring found on Pro Riggers belts. But what sets it apart? Tucked snugly within this mini survival kit. Granted, it plays a bit hard to get, but it's worth the tease. Ideal for daily wear, it beautifully blends style and function. And to top it off, personalize your look with a plethora of colors and materials, each at its own unbeatable price. Hybrid travel belt, your everyday essential with a twist. Dive into the world of unparalleled utility with the SparTool, the adventurer's dream tool. Whether navigating urban landscapes or the wild, its lightweight design, forged from tempered carbon steel and impact-grade Zytel, promises unparalleled durability. But don't let the shovel-centric design fool you. This masterpiece boasts an array of functions. Swing it as an axe, slice it with its saw, hammer down challenges, or unearth treasures with its pick. After the hard work, celebrate your accomplishments with a drink using the cleverly integrated bottle opener tucked behind the hammerhead. It's more than just a multifunctional tool. It's an experience, seamlessly melding strength and convenience. Meet the Pyros, your ultimate survival companion. Every inch is meticulously crafted for adaptability, with 100% modularity that lets you integrate essentials like the Crossfire fire starter, screwdriver set, personal beacon locator, USB power generator, and even a hammer cap. Need something more personal? Customize it with your own tools, ensuring you're prepared for any challenge. Elegance isn't compromised, as Pyros comes in striking shades like aluminum, jet black, red fire, anodized, and a luxe titanium edition with a polished silver finish. Safety. With full COSPAS SARSAT compliance, you're pinpointed globally during emergencies. Crafted from ultra-durable material, use it as a hammer or any required tool. With Pyros, you don't just survive, you thrive. Introducing the Spyderco Delica, where precision meets unparalleled craftsmanship. Crafted from Japan's exquisite VG10 steel, renowned for its high carbon content, it promises unrivaled reliability. A favorite among Spyderco followers, the handle has a symphony of ergonomic brilliance, made of fiberglass, reinforced nylon, complete with bi-directional texturing for unbeatable grip. Dual skeletonized stainless steel liners enhance its strength without the burden of extra weight, ensuring steadfast performance. Experience the power of its flat saber ground VG10 blade, designed with a robust tip and an expansive 13mm opening hole. The blade's spine boasts anti-slip jimping, ensuring safety, with phosphor bronze washers for seamless action and a versatile 4-way clip. Its lightweight design is perfect for tasks from slicing ropes to meal prep. Unveiling the Kestrel 3500 weather station, a game changer in environmental monitoring, designed to withstand the toughest conditions. It's drop tested and waterproof for ultimate resilience. With NIST traceable measurements, accuracy is never in question. Opt for the night vision, preserving backlight feature, and navigate with confidence in low light. Though the 3500 shines in its class, those seeking water speed detection might consider the advanced Kestrel 4000 models. But what truly sets the 3500 apart is its arsenal of tools. An altimeter, barometer, anemometer, and hygrometer. Together they empower you to predict storms, calculate the proximity, and even triangulate your position with a map and compass. With Kestrel's 3500, nature's secrets are but a glance away. Introducing the QUICKSTOVE Cook Kit, the essential companion for every unexpected scenario. Whether you're stranded in a blizzard, awaiting rescue during a tornado, or enduring a week-long power outage, this kit promises warmth and sustenance. Crafted meticulously from aluminized steel, the stove boasts an electrostatic surface that outperforms standard stainless steel, ensuring optimal heat reflection. But that's not all. Its waterproof design ensures it's effortlessly ignited, even when drenched. Compact and easily carryable, never venture out without the QUICKSTOVE Cook Kit. a beacon of hope in unpredictable situations. Secure yours today and face emergencies head-on. Meet the ESTREAM, the game-changing power generator for adventures on the go. Slip this portable marvel into your backpack and let any moving water source become your personal power station. Whether it's a gentle stream or the wake of your kayak, the ESTREAM uses its turbine to convert flowing water into 2.5 watts to 7 watts of energy, effortlessly charging your USB-connected devices. It's fully compatible with Apple devices, but its magic doesn't stop there. Its lightweight design and user-friendly interface make it a must-have for campers, backpackers, fishermen, and kayakers. So why rely on conventional chargers? With ESTREAM, embrace the future of charging, powered simply by the dance of water. Introducing the ETEKCITY, your ultimate defense against waterborne bacteria. This little powerhouse ensures you consume only the purest of water, removing a staggering 99.999999% of bacteria and protozoa. But that's not all. The ETEKCITY boasts a 3-stage filtration system, guaranteeing that every drop of water is immediately purified upon passing through. And for those always on the move, it thoughtfully comes equipped with a water pouch, straw, and syringe, making hydration both safe and convenient. No more worries about the purity of your water on your adventures. Choose ETEKCITY and ensure every sip you take is as pristine as nature intended. Introducing the XTREMFISHROD, the pinnacle of fishing innovation. Crafted meticulously, this survival fishing rod is not only robust and lightweight, but also compact, ensuring you're always ready for an angling adventure. But what truly sets it apart is its brilliant design. Developed with unparalleled precision, XTREMFISHROD combines all its technical components seamlessly, giving you the unique ability to use it as a survivor with just a reel, hook, and line. Its folding design elevates versatility, allowing you to adapt to any fishing situation. And the best part, it's perfect for any water, be it freshwater or saltwater. Dive into the future of fishing with XTREMFISHROD and reel in the big ones.